Starting to save money can occasionally be the most difficult part. This step-by-step manual can assist you in creating a straightforward and practical plan that will enable you to save for all of your immediate and long-term objectives. Effective saving is undoubtedly hampered by a variety of outside circumstances. Even the most conservative person's financial plans might be derailed by insufficient income or unplanned spending. It's crucial to understand, though, that many of the challenges we encounter in terms of saving are ones we created. Humans have natural capacities to act, think, and feel in particular ways that don't necessarily serve our wider financial self-interest. We may not even be aware of mental filters and mental fallacies that hinder our capacity to save or plan successfully. In light of this, let's examine these factors' effects on us in more detail as well as the knowledge required to enable you to do so. Now, it is very crucial to start saving, and let's take some steps to learn how to make saving easier. Number 1. Start with a little sum of cash. Saving money can seem overwhelming since you may believe that you need to do so on a monthly basis in the hundreds of pounds in order to have an impact. This is untrue, and you may begin small to make it simpler to manage. Even if you only set away a tidy sum each month, you will feel better about it. The amount you save each month can then be increased gradually, which will significantly impact your financial situation. Instead of being tempted to utilize the money or to let your savings grow through compound interest, you could look into tax-free ISA account choices. 2. Don't give up at the first obstacle. Many people have good intentions, but they are tempted to stop at the first obstacle when trying to save money, suggesting that collecting money does not happen in a straight line, as well as some months are indeed harder than others. As an example, it is normal to spend more money than you make throughout the holiday season. Also, you must keep aware that this is a long-term process, and there may be instances when you are unable to save as much as you'd want. Additionally, there will probably be months when there is less activity and you can save more cash. So make sure not to avoid saving based on some very small and less considerable occasions cost over time. 3. Try to use cash for your expenses. Whether you're purchasing groceries or a new phone, one of the best money-saving advice is to only pay with cash. While using a credit card or a debit card, your ability to spend looks almost limitless. Additionally, if you are concerned about breaking a big $50 or $100 bill, or want to carry around lots of change, you may just choose to forego purchases altogether, allowing you to save more in the long run compared to what you ever could since relying on cash. This is due to the fact that when we pay, we are actually physically handing over notes and coins, and we see what's left in our wallets. 4. Avoid unnecessary expenses. One of the most prominent myths is the idea that having fun requires spending money. You'll discover that you can live a fulfilling life while saving money, but it will certainly be beneficial. Instead of making yourself miserable by remaining at home to save money, look for free or inexpensive activities to participate in. Going over to friends' houses rather than going out for dinner or drinks, attending free community activities, spending time in the environment, preparing meals, and engaging in various forms of exercise are a few examples of how to do this. 5. Set up automatic saving. Automated transfers between your checking and savings accounts are available almost everywhere. The timing, amount, and location of money transfers are all up to you. You may even split your direct deposits so that a portion of each paycheck gets into your savings account. The benefit is that you don't have to consider it and are less likely to spend the money on something else. Credit card incentives and spare change programs, which round up transactions to the nearest dollar and put the difference into a saving or investing account, are two more simple saving strategies. Automatic deductions will perform wonders for the rest of us who have little authority over our expenditures. If you are unfamiliar with automatic deductions, they operate as follows. Each time you receive a paycheck, a portion of the salary is withheld before being deposited into your primary bank account. Usually, individuals set up a savings account and this money is directed, sometimes one that is inaccessible so that it can continue to grow. 6. Generate extra incomes. The only means to improve your spending ability and save more is to find ways to increase your income. For some people, this may mean taking on an additional part-time position, freelancing, or improving your skills to enable you to earn a higher hourly wage by doing a part-time job in a store. The truth is that your ability to accumulate savings is influenced by the amount of money you make. If you presently make minimum wage, saving a lot of money is likely to be nearly impossible. 7. Avoid social media. Social media has mostly taken over our lives. It now plays a crucial role in how we communicate and maintain relationships. However, it can also be a significant time and resource drain. Social media is a significant time waster and a financial drain. This could seem like a drastic approach, but it will actually save you a ton of time as well as cash over the long run. Social networking platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook require a significant amount of time that may be better spent on other activities. Have you ever thought, why is it so tough to save money? This is a topic that I believe many people ask one another, and I'm sure you do as well. Let's explore the answer to this question while also examining a solution to this ostensibly challenging issue. I'll provide you with these methods and top reasons why it's challenging for you to save money so you can get to work right now. Number 1. The salary is sometimes less. 1. Even while prices are rising, wages are staying the same. First reason it's challenging for me and many others to save money is that at the end of each month, there's usually nothing much left after paying for groceries, rent, auto insurance, and other essentials while maintaining a nearly constant level of living standards. A millennial makes less money on average than Gen Xers or baby boomers did in the early years of their employment, according to the Center of Retirement Research. Our money is worth less and less when you factor in the high inflation rate and the current economic state. Naturally, this raises the question of what exactly can be done about it since it is mostly outside of our control. Although we can't change the entire situation, we may start by making modest changes because it is crucial to start somewhere. And 2. No tracking. Because they don't prioritize and track their expenses, many people find it difficult to accumulate money. Getting their money in order is something they either don't think is significant enough or they decide to underestimate. Sometimes, it can be difficult to confront your finances head-on and accept that you are genuinely living beyond your means and need to lower your standards of living. I am aware that this is a difficult step to take, but it is crucial if you are serious about changing your financial condition and getting your money under control. If you don't prioritize saving and investing, you'll never achieve your financial objectives. Do you know? These are not the only reasons why savings have become harder and complicated. No control over expenditure, mental issues for spending more, the attractiveness to purchase luxury goods, and insufficiency of salary to cope with daily expenses are considered to be some of them. A crucial component of personal finance that needs careful consideration is budgeting. To ascertain how much money is coming in and leaving out, it entails making a spending plan. It can be challenging to keep track of your spending and make necessary adjustments without a budget. Did you understand that even though saving is a hard thing to do with the current expenses you have, by saving, you will be able to stand strong in rough situations if you have done a considerable amount of saving with your earnings. Thanks for being to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.